Hello everyone. Today we're going to upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 8.1. Double click on VMware Workstation. I'm going to be using this virtual machine, which I have used in my other videos in regards to the upgrades. So what we're going to do is we're going to power on this virtual machine, and it should have Windows 8. So what I'm going to do is during this is being loaded, I'm going to right click on this virtual machine, go into settings, then going to click on CD DVD. Then I'm going to be using an ISO image, and then I'm going to be using this ISO, the 8.1. Like I mentioned in my other videos, I'm keeping everything the same, all 32-bit, and I'm going to click on OK, and just going to slide that up. Click. I'm going to type in the password 123 ABC. Very high security password, I must say. I'm going to click on desktop. Then I usually go like this. I click on the folder here, computers. And if it doesn't show up here, which I already loaded up on the settings, it might mean that the removable disk is not connected, as you see here. Click connect. And then what we're going to do is we're going to double click and click on yes. Let's close it. This is the 8.1 setup. So we're going to accept the license terms and accept. So it's a little different from the prior operating system, where it gives you the option to either custom or upgrade. So you have three options now. Keep the Windows settings, personal files and apps, personal files only, or nothing. So I've been just clicking pretty much the overall upgrade everything. So I'll just keep it by default and click on next. This will take a few minutes. I see you right after the installation is done. So I'm going to pick Express Settings. If you choose Customize, it allows you to go into the settings of your operating system and just modify a few things here and there. But for this demonstration, what I'm going to use is the Express Settings. I'm going to click it. This will take like about a minute or two. Oh, never mind. That was faster than I thought. Let me just type in my credentials. 123 ABC. Very secure, very unique. So this is how you upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 8.1. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.